for East Texas. Carson, you said this is the first day of 4 chances for severe weather this week. And so right now you're talking about a tornado watch for portions of East Texas.
Yes, luckily the city of Tyler, Smith County, not under the tornado watch. Unfortunately, Longview and Gray County under the tornado watch. So it's our eastern counties today.
Okay.
So we're keeping an eye on things. Right now, I don't have any severe thunderstorm or tornado warnings in the area, but as Casey mentioned, yes, we are under a tornado watch, and this will go until midnight tonight. It does include Titus, Camp, Upshur, Gregg, Rusk, Morris, Cass, Marion, Harrison, Panola, Shelby counties, pointing off to the east. Now, if you're watching us from Tyler, Mineola, Sulphur Springs, or even in Franklin County, you're not under a watch of sorts right now. But again, that could change a little later on today. I am a little concerned about this storm nearing the Longview vicinity. It's not severe, but it is producing heavy rain, and just based on my meteorological intuition, it does kind of have that look. So we could see a little bit of rotation on the southwest side of the storm. Again, it's nowhere close to being a tornado warning, but the back notch of this storm is going to have to be watched because that's likely to move over the Longview area within the next 30 minutes. So we're keeping an eye on it. No imminent threat of a tornado or any other severe weather prospects with that one, but we will continue to watch these storms as they develop over the next hour or two. But mostly dry across the area, so some good news there. We are under an enhanced threat of severe weather. This does include our central and northern counties, and then off to our northeast we do have a rare and a rarer level 4 moderate and a level 5 high risk up in portions of Arkansas. But as we look at your severe weather threats for today, right now, hail, damaging winds, tornadoes, flash flooding, it's all at a medium right now. There's not one that's particularly higher than the other, but the environment in East Texas is very conducive for a few severe thunderstorms forming. So that is a possibility we will have to watch out for. 6 o'clock this evening, we should start to see more activity to the north of Interstate 20, and then as we continue through 7, 8 o'clock, a few showers and thunderstorms in our central counties. And even if you're not under a tornado watch, I want you to be weather aware this evening because we do have a lot of instability in the atmosphere with those temperatures being as warm as they are. Another round of storms possible for our western counties early tomorrow morning, and we could have some pretty nasty storms over towards the DFW area. Time will tell if that actually verifies, but that is something we're going to have to keep a close eye on. 9 o'clock in the morning, we're still seeing a few showers, but the cap will be in place in the afternoon. However, some redevelopment is possible, especially in our northeastern counties. You can see from Mineola, Gilmer, Mount Pleasant, Texarkana at 11 o'clock tomorrow afternoon, or tomorrow evening rather. That's the area we are going to have to keep a close eye on. But the northwestern 2/3 of East Texas under at least a slight risk, with the Arklatex under a level 3 enhanced risk. This is valid for tomorrow through early Friday. But again, we're not done as we get into Friday because this stubborn front off to our northwest, well, it's going to stay stalled out, which means we are going to be in the warm sector, the area of instability and moisture, which means we've got another day of possible severe weather. So there's the front I mentioned. It's off to our northwest. We could see a few more scattered showers and thunderstorms along the I-35 corridor. That's 1 o'clock, but the skies could really open up for us as we head towards 4 o'clock Friday evening, and we could see a few scattered showers and thunderstorms at 8 o'clock, and that will continue to be the case through Friday evening as this front slowly makes its way off to the east. Slight risk of severe weather on Friday with that enhanced threat further off to the northeast. I would not be surprised at all if this enhanced threat was brought further off to the west. And then we're still not done, folks. We do have another threat of severe weather on Saturday. The front itself is going to push to the east. Some scattered showers and thunderstorms to our west at 6 o'clock Saturday morning, but they could intensify as they move into East Texas. We still have widespread rain late Saturday morning and into Saturday afternoon before the front moves through. Things quiet down, and we will start to see some cooler temperatures by Saturday night and early Sunday morning. So severe weather is a possibility. Thursday, Friday, Saturday, we will dry out Sunday, and it will be much cooler Sunday and next Monday. Isaac, Casey.
Thank you.